How does apply location, rotation, and scale work in Blender? So, first of all, what is location, rotation, and scale? When we create an object's origin is created too. The difference between that point and the world's origin point is exactly what we see in the transform panel. As we rotate, scale or move the object, all difference between the 2 points will be shown on this panel as well. And what does apply location, rotation, or scale do then? It resets the difference between object's origin and world's origin. When we apply all transformations, the object's origin is reset and it's now located at the world's origin. Let's say you want to create these holes on your lightsaber. I started by creating a plane, and scaling it down on x-axis to make it more like the shape I need. Now I'm creating a bevel on each of the vertex, and using my mouse wheel to add some steps to make the corners look round. The problem here is that since I didn't apply the scale, this is not really a rectangle, it's a stretched square. Let's see what happens when we do apply the scale. As you can see, the bevel is now evenly affecting each vertex. Now let's see a similar example but with rotation. I added some modifiers, solidify to give it volume, bevel to hold some angles in place and subdivision. Then I created an array to get the other 2 holes that I need. The problem when we rotate the object is that the origin rotates too, and the array is not giving me the result I wanted. All I have to do is to apply the rotation. When you are on edit mode, there is no need to apply, because the origin point does not change, even when you scale or rotate your object.